I'd like to invite our first finalist to come onto the stage, Joshua Karras with Needlework, Weaving a Tapestry of Feelings and Facts to Communicate Vaccine Health.
Facts mean nothing. Facts mean nothing without feeling. Science alone is not enough to move us forward. Recent studies have found that the human race is currently experiencing a technologically induced fragmentation of knowledge, where no two people have access to the same information. In some cases, this has led fact and truth to become diametrically opposed. And scientists like me are trying to work out why this is happening. And so when people are met with good health information, they can make good health decisions. If you need evidence to see this happening, what bigger and brighter stage do you need than the COVID-19 pandemic? It's within this once-in-a-100-year event that I have nestled and devoted my PhD to answering the question, how can health scientists, especially in the vaccination world, communicate better so that the next time there's a pandemic, we can make sure more people get the jab? The beginnings of this answer can be found in my recent work, which sought to understand how we ended up communicating the COVID-19 vaccine. Preliminary qualitative research saw me interview with semi-structure 40 COVID-19 vaccine-hesitant Australians to determine whether or not the way the vaccine was communicated affected their decision to receive it. In other words, I spoke to a bunch of Aussies from across Australia about why they didn't get the vaccine. We've all got that person, that friend, that colleague, that neighbor who will not get the vaccine. I made sure to speak to people just like this, from every state and territory, male and female, people from diverse communities, First Nations people, people with a disability. It was amazing. The ethics to do this was tough, but the results were clear. These individuals depicted and explained that the way they felt the vaccine was communicated to them completely lacked empathy, compassion, and a mutual understanding of what getting vaccinated means to them. We did not weave the science of vaccines in a way that these people could understand and, more importantly, trust. This is where my thesis lies. The qualitative research that evolved from this demonstrates there is a missing thread, a thread that is explicitly excluded because it goes directly against the nature of scientific rigor. Are you ready? Emotion. The themes that were depicted from this research demonstrate that although these people are happy to talk about the vaccine, they do not like the way it is objectively presented to them by the government, and they do not like being spoken to harshly about the way they did not receive it. We need to develop interventions and tools that will allow us, scientists and individuals alike, to communicate the vaccine in a way that laces communication about the vaccine and scientific findings with compassion. This is what I'm trying to do, and I hope you can wish you the best of luck. Thank you.